In this video, we are going to quickly show you how to access your courses via your homepage. So when you first log into Brightspace, this is the page you'll see. It's also the page you'll see if you hit the little home button here with the house. So on this page, you're going to notice that you have a My Courses widget, and in here are all your courses. So notice that this widget is organized by semester. So you can view all your courses, but then you can view by semester. So if you've had lots of online classes, you'll have lots of semesters lined up right here. But if we want to check what classes Jim has here for 21-22 semester 1, that's the semester we're in now, we'll just click on that semester. And there we go. There are his courses. Now, another way to access your courses are just clicking on the waffle up here, and you're going to get them listed right here. Now, if you want to only see certain courses and you want to pin them so that they will be all located together, you can pin a course quite easily by just clicking on these three dots here and going pin. And notice now there's a new option here where you can click on pinned. And when you pin a course, when you click on the waffle, it's going to be the first one that shows up. All right, so we'll just refresh our page here and we'll see the change that happens. So when we refresh our page, there we go, we see now that that is pinned. Another way to pin the course is just right here. So let's say we wanted to pin this course as well. We can pin it, and now it shows up in our pin courses down here. So that's your My Courses widget and a couple different ways to access your courses. And again, once you have the courses here, you just have to click on the course and then it'll take you right into your course.